YouTube, this is Rick again from RDT with a new unboxing. These are the Hiby R3 Pro. Make music more musical. I'm gonna try these. I need a audio digital player. I don't have one, so I need one for when I'm on the go. I can listen to my music. These are my desktop, the THX 789, 888 and my DAC is the SMSL SU8. I'm gonna be doing a video about my setup later, so stay tuned, like, subscribe, and share. So let's get to the Hiby R3 Pro. See what's in the box. Comes here. Pretty hefty. Volume down, volume up. Power. Previous. Pause and play, and next right here. I have a bunch of buttons. Here you got the SD card, micro SD card slot, and USB 3. No, USB-C. USB-C. It has 2.5 millimeter balance and 3.5 millimeter headphone port. It looks like it's glass. Yep. It looks like it's glass in the back and glass in the front. And it's pretty heavy. It feels solid. Yeah, it feels very solid. See what else is in the box. Oh, it comes with a case. Not gonna use that for now, but it comes with a case. What else is in here? These are okay. This is the USB to USB-C. This is the charger. This cable looks nice. It's like braided. Nice cable. Good job, Hiby. See what else got in here. Books. Oh, it comes with a screen protector. Nice for the front and the back. Usually books and manuals. That's it. So yeah, that's it. I saw this in the box here. Let me see how much they're running right now in Amazon. Hiby V3 Pro, R3 Pro. Yeah, right here. Yeah, that's what I pay for them, $199. I gotta mention something. I never do it, but everything that you see in my videos, I buy it with my own money. So it's my honest review of them. $199. This is a MP3 player. I don't know if that's right. I mean, it should play MP3, but it plays FLAC, DSD, and it's a Bluetooth too. MQA support. High resolution player supporting 5G Wi-Fi and full touch. They put a lot of description on this stuff. Yeah, so it's $199. So I'm gonna put my SD card on it. I had already set my music here on it. You see it has juice on it. It's very easy to put inside there, the SD card. Just turn it on. Make music more musical. Just select the language. It's English. No English? What the, oh, right there. English. Scan. Scanning my music right now. Nice. It did it really fast. I scanned it really fast. Everything pop up with the artwork and everything. Oh, that was really fast. There's a bunch of options here. All files, albums. Yeah. Well, let's see how they sound. Gonna be testing it with the KZ CS10 Pro with balance 2.5. See how they sound. All right, go back here. Volume 49, 50. Need to go back. Got stuck in that screen, doesn't move. Yeah. It's not going back. Turn it off and on again, see. Probably I should read the instructions before doing the video. Turn it on again. Hiby music. This is live. No editing. What you see is what you get. Oh, let's see how System of a Down sounds here. For some reason, oh, there you go. No, I didn't push it all the way in. Good, they sound good. The violence, oh my god. Yeah, this is a goal. Yeah, so smart on how they sound pretty good. They sound very good. I mean, it can sound, the quality that comes out is almost the same as this. It's like a little bit warmer. These are like pretty has a lot of power, but these are very good. Huh. These are very good. It's a DAC, but it has a little bit little amplifier in it too. So in the 2.5 balance, I guess it gives them more power. This is a Bluetooth. You can listen to them by Bluetooth too. You don't have to be connected by cable. The good thing is you just put your music here in the car in the micro SD. You don't have to be dealing with like with your phone, all the apps that it has. This is just for your music. And what I like too is it's not Android, so it has its own operating system. I like that because that's what I want. I just want to put my music and go. I don't want to have to deal with nothing else. I just want to have my music, turn it on, and go ahead. I can hear that from there, right there. I don't know if you guys can hear it. And the volume is only 70%. So they drive this pretty good. Yeah, they're very good. For $200, you have a digital audio player. You can put all the music you want in there. High resolution. Hiby has the other ones. These are more expensive. The Hiby R3 Pro. Those are $550. I heard they're very good too, but they're too expensive. I'm poor. I don't have money for that. So yes, people, this is the Hiby R3. It can play any format: FLAC, DSD, MQA. Yeah. Bluetooth 5.0. Supporting all high-res Bluetooth formats: UAT, LD, LDAC, aptX AAC SBC, and you get 20 hours of single-ended playtime and 16 hours balance. Standby time is 50 days. Battery capacity is 16 milliampere hours. Well, this is it, but people, I'm gonna be testing them more, and probably later I'll do like a few review of them, and I'll let you know more about these. But right now, first impression, they sound very good. They're worth the $200. And next video, I'm gonna be doing review of my setup. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I don't use Windows. I use Linux Mint. I like it. It's simple, easy, no drivers. You don't need drivers like in Windows. You just download the software or the apps and you're good to go. I'm gonna do a few review of my setup. These are my first headphones that I ever had, the Audio Technicas. Pretty bad headphones. I don't recommend them. Now that I'm listening to good music, I can see the difference. Yeah, I'm not an audiophile, but I'm learning, and I want to learn more about hi-fi audio and share it with you guys. What are my impressions of stuff? And so like, subscribe, and support my channel. See you until the next one. Bye.